Alright guys, so I have been meaning to make this video for so long now. My dad came into town, we've had the Keto Brick winners in town, and I just haven't really had the opportunity to make this video and show all of my gratitude. So you guys know that I could not have launched Lady Savage without you guys. We couldn't have done Keto Brick without you guys. My Instagram and all of that kind of stuff, like, you guys are what motivates us to keep going, keep pushing, and we think about you every time we post something. We think about you every time we do something. But there is a huge group of people behind us other than just you guys, and it's all the crew. We have like literally the most amazing crew anyone could ever ask for. We have everyone in the kitchen, and then there's Cara, and that's the person I really want to dive into today with you guys on the video. This is not going to be a very long video, but I definitely want to give her a huge shout out that she's deserved for a very long time. Cara's been working with us since last spring, so it's been a little over a year, probably like almost a year and a half at this point. And when she first got here, nobody knew exactly what her job title was. She just came and knew she would be doing administrative work and kind of flying by the seat of our pants, because we just started throwing things at her, and a lot of the things that she does now, she learned on the job because we threw them at her and she took them and ran with them. She decided that she was going to do that and became an expert at all the little things that she does. Now, I'm talking to you guys about this particularly at this point because you guys know last month in June I launched Lady Savage, and I could not have done it without Cara. I could not have done it without Cara. Maybe I could have, but it probably would have taken me like an extra year to launch the website, and this girl went above and beyond. She put in the extra effort, the extra length to do not only her normal job for Robert, for Keto Savage, for Keto Brick, for Live Savage Apparel, all the things that she normally does, which she has a huge workload, and she took the extra time. She got those things done and made extra time to help me with my website, with my Instagram, with all of the Lady Savage stuff. I could not be more grateful for Cara, and I'm just kind of speaking this out from my heart. I didn't pre-plan all the things that I wanted to say, but this girl means a lot to me. All of our crew means a lot to me. But without Cara, I could not have launched my website. I couldn't do all the things that I do on a regular basis because I also have work to do for Keto Brick and Keto Savage and Live Savage Apparel. We're all a huge team working on all of these companies all together. So Cara took the time, took the effort to make sure all those things were done, and then helped me work on my stuff. If you are watching a Lady Savage video, likely Cara has edited that. A lot of you guys have said, I love the way you're editing these, I love the way the words pop up on the screen, or I love this, that, or the other. And realistically, that's all Cara, for my videos at least, most of the time. Robert generally does his, and sometimes he does mine, but for the most part, what you're seeing is the work that Cara has done. She's the one that's putting in the fun workout clips and things like that, and I couldn't do it without her. My Instagram, she does a lot of the workout videos and things like that. There's just not enough time in the day for me to do it all. And she picks up my slack and does anything I ever need her to. She has a smile on her face and she is sassy as all get out. I love that. And for you that don't know, I actually work side by side with Cara. We work in the same office, which allows us to have that connection of getting to know each other. She knows me very well, so all the things that go up is because she either knows my brain, knows how I want things done and does it, or we're right there side by side thinking of all the different ideas, all the different things, and trying to get the best content and stuff out for you guys, stuff out for my ladies on my membership. She helps edit the videos that I do for the workout tutorials on my website and all of that kind of stuff. She helps me with different ideas and making things fun, and she just adds a new level of like creativity to my brain. So the whole point of this video is honestly just to shout her out, because she is an amazing individual. We have a ton of amazing individuals who work for us, and maybe I'll do future videos on them. But right now, after having launched Lady Savage and knowing and seeing all the work that she put in, she came in on the weekend and stayed until like 9 o'clock at night working on my stuff the weekend before I launched. And that spoke volumes to me. Like, that was huge for me, because there's not another individual who supported me more than Cara, maybe other than Robert. Cara supported me and knew, since the moment she got hired, she knew I wanted to do this website. She knew I wanted to build Lady Savage out, and it just took time and it took effort, and there was a lot of things that took priority over that. But when I said I'm going to do this, she was like, heck yes we are. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. And she had my back, and she was pushing me and motivating me and supporting me through that whole time, as well as creating with me. And so anyways, if you guys enjoy the videos, if you guys enjoy my workout routines, if you enjoy any of those type of things, likely Cara's the one that put those together. Yes, I did the video. Yes, I filmed it. Yes, I thought of it. Yes, I wrote it. But Cara is the one that's putting it together and allowing me to put it online in a way that you guys would love watching. So if you feel so inclined, just shout out Cara. Go follow her on Instagram or whatever. She just changed her Instagram name, so I can't say it right now, but it'll be in the show notes, or I'll have her pop it up because she's gonna edit this video. So I'll just have her pop it up on the bottom there so you guys can go follow her. She always posts really motivating quotes and things like that. She has done an amazing job and has gone through a lot in her own fitness and nutrition journey. She's super on board with keto, been following it for a couple years now, and just started a new endeavor in CrossFit, which hopefully she doesn't mind me sharing that. But I think that's really awesome. I'm just so proud of her, and very, very lucky to have her, and very blessed to have her as an employee, as a friend, and as someone who could work side by side with me, building up the things that I'm passionate about. So anyways, go follow Cara. Go comment how amazing she is, because she's so freaking amazing, and the people behind the scenes don't always get the acknowledgement for what they do, and she deserves a ton of acknowledgement. This video is not enough, but there are people working behind the scenes, and they need to be seen, because I couldn't do what I do day in and day out without her and without the rest of the crew that we have in there. So I just wanted to say that I think it's important that you guys know like how amazing our crew is, how amazing the people behind us are, and like we know we could not do it without these people. We could not do it. Like, there's just too much work, there's too many things, there's so much creativity that needs to happen that we couldn't do it without them. So Cara, thank you so much for everything that you do day in and day out without complaint. It does not go unnoticed, and I think you're an amazing human, and I'm super, super blessed to sit in an office all day long, 40 hours a week with you. I love you, girl, and see you in a bit.